Hello, kamusta? Maayong adlaw?
สวัสดีค่ะ
Xin chào. Initially, I joined the program wanting to improve my skill in technical presentation and to connect with other talented women developers.
I saw the mission and vision of Women Developer Academy to create a diverse people in tech.
Technical knowledge itself, it is not enough to inspire and make an impact in our community. We also need to develop our soft skills. We were slowly building the confidence within ourselves with each sessions that we had with WDA.
Another memorable moment was meeting with my awesome mentor. I learned on how important it is to have a mentor in career.
On a personal level, I feel much more connected and that we're all in this together.
If we want us women to be seen in tech industry, we need to show up.
It's a good place to elevate your skill and network.
The program reminds me that there are a lot of fellow women in technology to support each other as a community.
So WDA is here to help us, to guide us to become future speakers, motivators, and community leaders.
Representation is important, and we have a long way to go. Let's work together to bring diversity to the stages because impact does not end on stage. That's where it begins.